Dear Jesus, I wish I could thank you for all the things you gave to me. All the things like my life, my home, the world, and especially the world that I live in today. Thank you for everything.
Dear Jesus, I am thankful for all you have done, because you have done much for everyone. You have the power to help others. You are a loving God, and I am thankful for you.
Dear Jesus, I'm sitting here today by myself praying for peace, love, and justice. I love all my classmates. I want peace with my sister. No more wars, and more sending food to the poor.
Dear Jesus, I wonder what you are thinking about me in heaven. I thank you for the love and happiness in this peaceful world. Love, Mimi Brennan. Dear Jesus, thank you for the sun, the moon, the stars, the sky there is, the beautiful colors in a rainbow in our earth. We will love all of them as you have loved us. Dear Jesus, how would you want me to act now and in the future? Do you want me to follow you in what you say and do? I hope you can help me. Please help me work something out. Thanks.
Dear Jesus, I am wondering where I'll be in a couple of years. I just hope that you are still with me in my life. I know you will always love me and be with me, and I thank you for that. Amen.
Dear Jesus, I want to tell you that I am thankful for all that you have done for us. I don't know where I'll be in the years to come, but I know that I'll always try to follow in your footsteps and try to be the best person I can be. I love you, Jesus.
Dear Jesus,